Cape Coast. I want you to take. Thank you, Auntie. I know it's gonna taste good. Ah, thank you, Madam. This is really good.
You don't want fried?
How are they so crispy and fluffy? Oh my god. It melts in your mouth.
Quite like it. With ice, is it cold? Okay. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ooh, that looks good. That's mine? That's his.
Oh, this sauce is so good.
Made in Ghana.
Not like fire, but it's so good.
Yeah. That's just mine though. Come on. Fried rice.
Yeah.
That's good. Madame, the chef. Woo!
Beautiful.
You're so beautiful. Everybody, come to Coast Restaurant. You saw Auntie in the kitchen cooking, and look what she bring out for me. We love it. The food was delicious. I just full. Thank you for the food. Everything was delicious. I take this home. Thank you, Auntie.
All right.
Medasi.
Thank you.
Pops, leave them ladies alone. Come on. Let me come get your husband.
Listen, you keep doing that. What's wrong with you?
We love you.
I love these ladies.
Yes. We truly had such an amazing day. We love to find hole in the wall gems like this, and this place was amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.